When the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case, I could offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love. When the evening shadows and the stars appear and there is no one there to dry your tears, I could hold you for a million years to make you feel my love. Oh yeah, but I will never do you wrong. I've known it from the moment that we met. No doubt in my mind where you belong. I'd go hungry, I'd go black and blue, I'd go crawling down the avenue. No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel my love. Nothing like me, I could make you happy, make your dreams come true. Nothing that I wouldn't do. Go to the ends of the earth for you to make you feel my love. To make you feel my love. Thank you.
Kasama ka, wala akong mahihiling pa. Sa taglay na katangian at kabaitan mo, nabihag at umibig sa'yo ang puso kong ito. Hanggang langit ang pasasalamat at ika'y aking tinanggap na walang pagkalinlangan.